Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rashastra and Vaishya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. So in the today's session, we can deal regarding the syrups. So first of all, coming to the synonyms. So Middle English, it is called syrup, and Old French syrup, and medieval Latin syrupus, and Arabic syrup. And coming to the meaning, the juice of a fruit or a plant boiled with sugar until thick and sticky. And a thick, sweet, sticky liquid consisting of a sugar base, natural or artificial flavoring, and water. And a concentrated solution of sugar in water, often used as a vehicle for the medicine. Coming to the definition, so syrups are the concentrated, viscous, aqueous solution of sugar or a sugar substitute with or without flavors and medical substance. Syrups are fluid preparations of drugs containing a sufficient quantity of sucrose, either to preserve them or to make the administration more agreeable. Syrups are concentrated solution of a sugar such as sucrose in water or other aqueous liquids. A solution of herbs in concentrated sugar which preserves the mixture and attains like potentially bitter taste, and honey is mainly used. Other brown sugars and glycerin may also be used to produce syrups. So in cooking, a syrup is a condiment that is thick, viscous liquid consisting primarily of a solution of sugar in water containing large amount of dissolved sugar but showing little tendency to deposit crystals, and its consistency is similar to that of the molasses. The viscosity arises from the multiple hydrogen bonds between the dissolved sugar, which has mainly which has many hydroxyl groups and the water. So coming to the types, so medicated syrups, flavored syrups, culinary syrups, and bar syrups. So medicated syrups, so when the aqueous preparation contains like some added medicinal substance, it is called as medicated syrup. Flavored syrups means these are usually not medicated but rather contain like various aromatic or pleasantly flavored substance and are intended to be used as a vehicle or like flavored for like prescriptions such as acacia, cherry, cocoa, orange, and raspberry. And flavored syrups is accepted like readily by both children and adults because they contain like no or very little alcohol, and their lack of alcohol makes them superior solvents for water soluble substances. Next is the culinary syrups. So there are range of syrups used for food preparation, including glucose syrup, corn syrup, maple syrup, high fructose corn syrup, widely used in the US. And golden syrup is a byproduct of the process of obtaining refined crystalline sugar. And the best known brand is Lyle's Golden Syrups. And next is the bar syrup. So syrup used to make drinks at bars are called with different names like simple syrup, sugar syrup, simple sugar syrups, and bar syrups. And it is made by stirring like granulated sugar into the hot water in a saucepan until the sugar is dissolved and then cooling the solution. Generally, the ratio of sugar to the water can range anywhere from 1 is to 1 to 2 is to 1 by weight, and similarly by the volume due to the air in the granulated sugar. And granulated sugar does not dissolve easily in cold drinks or ethyl alcohol. Since the bar syrups are liquids, they are easily mixed with other liquids in a mixed liquid drinks, making them superior like alternate use to the granulated sugars. So this is regarding today's topic, syrups. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.